Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, today I'm bringing a unboxing of a Long Vidong product. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that this channel is completely funded by myself. I'm a one-man show, so if you appreciate that, please do consider subscribing as it'll help me out massively. Without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. Now, I'm not quite too sure what is in here, so we'll be discovering that together. Okay. Normally I've done two unboxing before of Long Vidong's product. I wasn't too impressed by the plastic. However, this one is a lot easier to take out and it does feel it's like okay. I would still like Long Vidong to consider not using plastics at all. As you can appreciate, it's quite destructive to our environment, but they might need to use it to ensure that product arrives in an undamaged condition. Okay, so the box, again, like the previous unboxings, they do have that Louis Vuitton feel to it, and they do feel like they have had the inspiration from Louis Vuitton. So let's see this. This is almost like the Louis Vuitton wallet. If you ever open them, they open up like this. So here you go. So I have the Apple Watch band in here. That was a bit hard to go all the way back because it kind of locks over here, whereas I had to push it to go all the way. Now looking at that, that's Long Vidong. Okay. Now, if you look at this clasp, the thing I like about Long Vidong is they're not selling imitation bands for Apple Watch. They are not a one-to-one copy of Apple products, but rather from their website, what you can see, and from what they've done, it's quite different. Okay, so you get a different product. So this is basically a little bit of an inspiration from, I guess, the Hermes bands that Apple sells, but very different as it's crocodile leather. The leather feels quite smooth on one side and it's really soft on the other. And the stitching, as you can see, is nice and uniformed. They're not crooked and out of place on both of them, and on the back side as well. They look really well. This feels a bit flimsy and cheap. I'll be reviewing this in the next few days and letting you know what I think of it. I just wanted to show you guys how the Apple Watch looks. I've got a Series 7 black 45mm for this video. So this is how it looks on the watch. As you can appreciate, it looks quite good. I can't find any complaints with it. Now let's have a bit of a deeper dive in the box. So it comes with very nice feeling soft material to stop your Apple Watch band from getting damaged, and you can also store it for long term, being crocodile leather. Comes up with this. Okay, so owner's manual. Look at how thick that book is and how good that's made. That's quite impressive. Okay, so just basically also advertises the Apple Watch band box that you can buy from them. They do that box as well. I would love to get my hands on that and do a review of that. So that's basically it, guys. Thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. Please do consider liking the video as it helps out a lot. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye-bye.